Hello everyone, this is our TechFest Season 3 registration website. You peoples can register here and take participate in our game. Okay, so this is our website. So you can type taekwondoodisha.com in your web browser and come to this site. And then this is our Open State Taekwondo Championship 2011-2021 TechFest Season 3. So for this you have to click on this apply now button to apply or to participate in this game. So this is the game details. Read all details carefully before apply. Here all the details are here in present in our website, so you people can read carefully. Then go to proceed to click on proceed to apply for applying this game. So here all the details you have to give for applying this game for registering this game. So first name is this is a required field. All the star marks are required field and the optional fields don't have the star marks. So please read and carefully enter your informations. This is I am entering here. Let's say Ramashankar. Middle name is optional, so I am not taking here now. And this is MUTU. This is I am applying here, so you people can take it. 629. WhatsApp number is optional. You can you may give or not needed. If you give, you will get better information on WhatsApp notifications. So better if you give it all the things here. Email ID is also there. This is also optional field. May or may not. You can this is depend upon you and send at the add your districts in your institute name must you have to give here and choose the events which one you want to. If freshers then take fresher, if kirogi then kirogi, or if pumse you can take also both freshers and pumse or kirogi or pumse in both or multiple events. Then give your date of birth. Date of birth is mandatory and it is a must to categorize in the weight division and all junior senior categories. So here I am giving my date of birth. Please enter your date of birth and then year, then select the month, then select the date. So according to your date of birth, your age will be calculated here and your category will be selected here. This is the read only field, so just put your date of birth and you will be automatically selected the age and category, and the date is in YMD format, so no need to change these things. This is automatically taken by the system. So this is year, this is month, and this is date. So don't worry about the date of birth format, no problem. It will be automatically taken by the system. Then choose the gender, male or female, whatever you want to. If male, then click on the male, and if female, click on the female. Then give your weight. According to the weight, your weight division will be selected. So let's say I am selecting my weight, it's 70. So then the weight division automatically selected, it's under 74 kg, over 68 and not exceeding 74 kg. So carefully choose your weight and carefully choose your date of birth. Then come to profile image and your birth, any age proof, birth certificate, Aadhaar card, or any certificate you can give here. The profile image should be below 512 kb and PNG, JPEG files are supported here, and you have to upload a passport size photo with your taekwondo uniform only. Without uniform, your application may be rejected or may not be rejected. It's totally depends upon the association. So please upload a passport size photo with taekwondo uniform only. So I am choosing the photo profile image here. I am giving a demo image. So this is the and after uploading a image, you will be view your image here, and then I am uploading my Aadhaar card as birth certificate. This is I am choosing my Aadhaar card. So and after uploading this, here I am also getting my Aadhaar card details. Here I have to select this um, term and condition before submitting form. So please read carefully this term and conditions, whatever written here. This is mostly important things you have to read and carefully, and then checkbox is here to check and submit. After checking this term and condition, a preview button is also coming here and the submit form is here. So you can click on preview button to check the information details before submitting. So here the information details are according to the registration form: your name, mobile number, WhatsApp number, email ID, district, institute name, events which you have chosen, date of birth, age, category, gender, weight in kg, weight division, your profile image, your Aadhaar card. So if you want to modify, then you can go back and you can modify here anything you want to change, or if it's all things are okay, then choose the term and condition and submit the form. So after submitting, once you submit the form, then you can't modify, or you can't do anything of edit. You can't do edit anything in your application form details. So please carefully check all the things before submitting. Once you want to submit, then if all the things are okay, then click on the submit form, and after submitting the form you will be get notification your application has been submitted successfully. Please click on OK button and you will get your application form details. Here the application form details are, you can read and you can export it to PDF. Just click on to export into PDF and you will get the details. Here the export PDF will be downloaded, and just open the PDF and you will be here the registration ID is this is your registration ID, and this is the most unique ID. You have to remember this ID because this is the unique ID we are generating for your identification of this event. So please click on this PDF button, PDF, and open this on your browser and you check the information here, and you can take a print of this copy, and you can bring this as soft copy according to your choice. So this is the procedure how to apply for this Open State Taekwondo Championship 2021 season 3. So you can just go through these videos before applying and take the information, and good luck for this application. Thank you.